Hosting etiquette. The art of creating memorable experiences through thoughtful planning. The art of hosting is often seen as an elegant dance between preparation and spontaneity. For those who value refined social interactions, mastering hosting etiquette transforms simple gatherings into unforgettable experiences that leave lasting impressions. In today's fast-paced world, where digital communication dominates our lives, the personal touch of a well-hosted event can be a refreshing change. It requires not only attention to detail but also a deep understanding of unspoken rules that govern successful social engagements. The foundations of hosting etiquette. A great host begins by establishing clear expectations from the outset. This involves choosing appropriate venues that reflect both the occasion's nature and your guests' comfort levels while ensuring accessibility for everyone involved. When selecting a venue, consider factors such as size relative to guest numbers, ease of access for individuals with mobility challenges, and whether there are any potential distractions that might detract from conversation flow during dinner parties or cocktail receptions. It is equally important to communicate effectively through invitations. Traditional methods like handwritten notes maintain a sense of formality, whereas digital platforms offer convenience without sacrificing elegance when properly formatted. Your invitation should include essential details: date, time, location specifics including street address rather than just city names, dress code guidelines if applicable, and RSVP instructions clearly outlined so guests know how best to respond before attending. Crafting your guest list with care. Selecting the right mix of attendees plays a crucial role in creating harmonious events. Begin by considering compatibility among invitees based on shared interests or professional connections, which naturally foster engaging conversations. Be mindful of group dynamics. Avoid inviting people known to clash or have unresolved tensions. A balanced composition ensures every guest feels welcomed and valued throughout the evening. Consider diversity aspects thoughtfully. This includes cultural backgrounds as well as varying personality types within your circle. Diverse groups bring fresh perspectives yet require careful curation to prevent overwhelming less outgoing participants. If you're unsure about certain relationships, err on the side of caution and consult close friends or family members whose opinions carry weight regarding interpersonal chemistry between potential attendees. Determine the purpose. Is this gathering purely social? Or does it serve another function like networking opportunities? Evaluate current relationships. Some friendships may need rekindling while others could benefit from temporary separation depending upon recent developments affecting them personally. Navigating social dynamics at events. Once your guests arrive, managing their interactions becomes vital for maintaining positive energy throughout the night. Encourage mingling by strategically placing seating arrangements that promote natural conversation flows instead of rigid table setups. Actively participate in discussions yourself. Showing genuine interest helps put others at ease and sets a welcoming tone for the entire gathering. Avoid dominating conversations though. Allow space for quieter personalities to contribute meaningfully too. Recognize signs indicating discomfort or disengagement early on. If someone appears isolated, gently intervene by suggesting they join nearby conversations or introduce them formally to new acquaintances present. Maintain awareness of alcohol consumption levels, especially since overindulgence can lead to inappropriate behavior later in the evening. Offer non-alcoholic alternatives readily available whenever possible. Fostering inclusive environments. Create spaces where all feel comfortable expressing themselves openly regardless of background differences. This means being conscious about language choices used around sensitive topics and avoiding stereotypes associated with various cultures represented amongst attendees. Provide accommodations ahead of time for dietary restrictions whenever catering services are employed. Clearly label food items according to allergens contained within them so guests make informed decisions safely. Ensure physical environments accommodate diverse needs such as wheelchair ramps leading into buildings or designated quiet areas away from loud music zones if such features exist within chosen locations. Respect individual boundaries concerning personal space requirements, particularly noticeable among introverts who prefer brief interactions compared to extroverted counterparts seeking continuous engagement opportunities. Managing event logistics with precision. Successful events rely heavily on meticulous organization behind-the-scenes operations. Develop timelines detailing key activities down to minute intervals, ensuring smooth transitions occur seamlessly without disrupting guest enjoyment. Prioritize tasks requiring immediate attention first, then allocate remaining resources towards secondary objectives, supporting overall ambience enhancement efforts throughout different phases of the celebration. Delegate responsibilities wisely across trusted team members, reducing stress significantly while still achieving desired outcomes consistently each time an event takes place successfully under your guidance. Keep backup plans ready for unexpected situations, ranging from inclement weather threatening outdoor plans to last-minute cancellations affecting headcounts, unexpectedly impacting resource allocations made earlier in planning stages. Post-event considerations and gratitude expressions. Show appreciation promptly following conclusion of festivities through personalized thank you messages tailored specifically towards each participant, acknowledging particular contributions made during the course of proceedings. Gather feedback discreetly after celebrations end, allowing honest assessments regarding what worked exceptionally well alongside identifying areas needing improvement next time similar occasions arise again soon thereafter. Document lessons learned systematically, organizing insights gained into categories, facilitating easy reference when preparing future gatherings, similarly structured along comparable themes explored previously already. Remember that even minor gestures demonstrating sincere gratitude greatly enhance reputation as reliable hosts capable of delivering exceptional experiences repeatedly without fail. Conclusion: mastering hosting etiquette extends beyond mere adherence to formal rules. It encompasses cultivating meaningful human connections rooted firmly within respect shown towards all involved parties, irrespective of status differences existing between them. By applying these principles diligently throughout every stage, from initial conception right up until final farewells, you'll transform ordinary meetings into extraordinary moments worth remembering long after guests depart back home, feeling truly appreciated, having been part of something special created intentionally just for them.